the first thing which we'll be doing is installing Java in my system. Because if the Java is not installed, how I will use this Java to write coding for my system? The first thing here I will be doing is installing Java in my system. So for that, go to Google Chrome, write download Java in Google, install Java 8. Okay.
Java 8.
Directly
Okay.
Java 8 only. Don't install Java. There are Java 10, 12, 15 more version of game, but install Java 8 only. Create an account. Go down. If you have Windows 32-bit, download this one and install. If you have 64-bit, download this one and install in the system. Okay. Once you download and install.
Okay. Yeah. Just why only Java?
Sorry. Yeah.
Only Java 8 is compatible with Selenium, is it?
Yeah. Means 15 are also compatible, but the recommended one is Java 8. Everyone use Java 8. In MNC also, you will be seeing everyone will be using Java 8 only, because there is some minor compatibility issue with other versions. So Java 8 is the most preferred one. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So once you install it in your system, so what you can do is the next step is check whether the Java is installed or not. Okay. So for that, what we'll be doing, we'll be just opening a command prompt, cmd, and here write Java -version. Okay. So once you write this particular code, it will show you the version here. See, it showed me Java 1.8. 1.8 means Java 8 only. Okay. This is the way you check for command prompt. This is the way you check from command prompt. Other thing you can do is directly go manually to the C drive, program files, and check it. C drive, go to program files, go to Java. So here you'll be seeing JDK and JRE both will be there. If only JDK present, if only JRE present, then Java is not completely installed. Both these files must be there, JDK file and JRE file. Okay. This is the first step we'll be doing. This is the first step. Is it clear for installation of Java?
Yes.
You can check it. You can check in your office system also. Java must be there. Check it once. Go to command prompt. Type Java.
It's there.
Right, it's there. Eclipse also be there. Maybe you check it. Maybe I don't know. So second step is
Eclipse is also installed. Yeah.
Okay, then. But I am showing you the step if you do it in a personal computer. Okay. And Eclipse is easy one. Eclipse is easier one. You can just write download Eclipse. Download Eclipse. Okay. Go to this particular file. Go to the first link here. No one joined. Oh. See, you can directly download this one. Download 64-bit. Okay. For Eclipse. Hello.
Okay.
Yeah. Once you download once you download this particular IDE, it will not install Eclipse. Then once you open this installation file, it will show you different options inside that. So always select Java developer. Eclipse IDE for Java developer. Okay. So there will be for C++, for C#, for Ruby, for Python, etc. will be there. Always select the option Eclipse IDE for Java developer. And once you select it and install it, then you can go to the desktop.
Okay.
You go to the desktop. Okay. Once you install, just double click it. So what you will be asking here for the first time is workspace. So what is workspace? Workspace is, even if you don't give any workspace, it will take a default workspace by its own, which will be normally present in your user file, okay, of the system. But if you want to create it in D drive, E drive, C drive, anything, just browse it and select the workspace where you want to store your project, right? Hello.
Okay.
So workspace is, you can say, basically the area in which your project is stored. Got my point? So
Yeah,
after that,
it's the local directory. Yeah.
Local directory in which project will be stored. Okay. Okay. So once you, for the first time, actually, the Eclipse will not open like this. For the first time, a welcome screen will open. Just click on cross sign like this one in that welcome screen, and after that, you will be able to see this type of screen. Okay. For the first time, if you have installed and open, a welcome screen will open. Just click on the cross sign, and this particular screen will open after that. Okay. Now, okay, the first step what we'll be doing for creating a project is, first thing we'll be creating a project. Okay, first thing, go to
Okay.
file, then Java project. Okay, so directly it will create a project for you, a Java project.
Okay.
So give the project name. Let's say for example demo. Okay, then finish. See, once we create a Java project, a JRE system 1.8, that is Java 8 which we have installed, it will automatically download the Java files for this project by itself. We did not to do anything. Okay, these are the Java files which we have installed in our system. These are getting down means mapped to this particular project automatically. We need not to do anything for that. Now comes the question: what is the structure of the project we'll be following? Right. So the first thing is project. Okay, let's say here. Inside the project there may be multiple packages. Maybe this is one package, then this is one package. Okay, then another package may be there also. This is one package. So inside project there may be multiple packages. This is package. Got it? These all are packages. Multiple packages can be inside one project, and inside the packages you could have multiple classes. Okay, these all are classes. Class. Okay, so inside project there may be multiple packages, and inside multiple packages there may be multiple classes. This is the structure of a Java project. Got my point?
Yes.
Hello?
Yes,
Okay.
yes. Maybe my voice is, maybe there is a lag in my audio.
Oh yeah. Okay. So, and the packages will be present inside SRC. Everything, the package, the class, everything will be present inside SRC. So what you can do is, you can make a more one enclosure for it. This everything will be present inside SRC of the project. Okay, this is the SRC. Inside SRC there will be packages and the classes. So this is the SRC for me. So I right click on it and go to new, and then create a package. They may be package one, I can create multiple packages, so I'm creating one more package, new package 2 finish. Got it? So inside the package, what I'll be creating? Inside the package, what I'm creating? Inside the package, I'm creating multiple classes. Okay.
Classes.
Yeah. So in package, I'll be putting my cursor and right clicking on it. So new, going to class. So here I can give any class name, demo class.
Yeah.
Okay. See, always check this particular checkbox. It will not be checked by default. Always check this checkbox while creating the class. Let's say, for example, for now I'm not checking, just finishing it. Okay. My system is hanging. Oh, no. Oh, okay, no issues. So I'll just start. Okay, so I created one class without checking the checkbox for public static void main, and I'm creating a second class. Like demo class 2, and check on this public static void main and finish. So what is the difference you see? You can see a extra function public static void main is present inside this class because I have checked the checkbox corresponding to it. Okay, so now let's understand what are these three lines which are written in this particular class. This first line gives us the information that this class is present inside which particular package. Okay, see, there is package 1 and there is package 2, but this one is present inside package 1. So it states me that it is present inside package 1. Got my point?
Yes.
Hello? Okay. Now the second line gives us the information about the class name. So what is the name of this class? The name of this class is demo class 2. So this is my class name. Means this gives us the information about the class name. And always remember, for this class, the body starts from here and ends here. That means for this class, whole content of that class is present inside the curly braces closing and curly braces ending. Okay, this is the content of the class. Means the starting of the curly braces and ending of the curly braces. And inside the class, we have the main method, which itself has a body which starts from here and ends here. Always remember, in Java, any class or any method, what is method and all will be learning. So for now, you just remember void main is a method. Okay. So what is this?
Okay.
So void main is a method which has the means go from here to here. That means the curly braces give us the range of the class as well as the method. And here the public static void main method is present inside the class. Got my point?
Yes.
Okay. And now what is public static void main? See, like this, I can also create another class. Let's say example public. So void function. Okay, similar to that one, I'm public static void main is one function, and this one is one function. Let me explain you with pen. So what is a class? See, this whole is my class. And see, the whole inside my class, I can have multiple function and multiple data members. Okay, function. This all circular step denotes function. So inside a class, I can have multiple function and I can have multiple data members. Okay, this is my data members. Data. You are getting me right?
Yes. Yes.
Inside a single class, I can have multiple function and multiple data members. So from this, let's say this is my public static void main function. This is my function I created. My function I created.
Function
Similarly,
is,
yeah,
sorry,
function.
function is nothing but a method, is it? Are
Yeah,
you
yeah,
referring to a
function.
method?
Yeah, function is a method only. Function is a method only.
Okay.
Yeah. So see, inside this particular class, I am having two method or function. Anything you can tell. Okay. So this is one function, and this is one function or method. Okay. But what is public static void main? Why we require it? See, public static void main is that privileged function from where the Java or the JVM which we have installed in our system starts the execution and ends the execution. What you write here, let's say for example, I have written 1,000 lines of code in function. Okay, but that is of no use if I'm not accessing that one inside this main, because always for this particular program, let's say, always the execution will start from line 5 and will end at line 8. So whatever you have written above it or below it, if you have not accessing inside the main function, it will not be executed. Got it?
Okay. Can you repeat that, please?
See, void main is that privileged function from which the execution start and execution stop. Let's say, for example, this is my particular class. Okay, if I will try to run this particular class, my execution will start from line 5 and the execution will stop at line 8, because the void main start from line 5 and ends at line 8. Okay,
Okay.
if here inside this function, let's say art, inside the function art, I have written 1,000 lines of code. Okay, but I am not accessing this add function inside the main function, then there is no use. You have written code that will not be ever executed if you are not accessing inside main,
Okay. Okay.
because main is the area from where Java starts its execution and ends its execution. So inside that area, if you are not accessing a certain thing, that will never be executed.
Okay, so it's like there is a main method and sub methods. So it might be a test case, for example, might have many methods, but it should have been called within the main method for it to be
Yes,
executed.
yes. Because if you are not, because our Java will start my execution from the main method starting and it will end at main method ending. So if you are not accessing anything inside that, nothing that will never be accessed by Java during its execution. Okay.
Okay, yeah, understood.
Yeah. Okay. Now, what I have told inside the class there may be different function or method and also different data members. So let's see what is data member. Now, this for this particular class, this one is one function and this is one function, but this is the data member for it. So what is data member? See, for example, while you are typing a form, what you are writing, Mr. Anil. So what is Mr.? You can also write Miss Anil, but it is not right. You are writing Mr. Anil. So this Miss, Mr. or Miss, what it denotes? It denotes your gender. Similarly, in Java, there are certain predefined words which you add it as the suffix to a particular name, variable name. It will tell that it is of type this. Let's say, for example, here I am writing Anil, and here I am giving the prefix int. That means Java understand Anil is a type integer in which I can store numeric values. Got my point?
Okay, yeah.
Similarly, I have another predefined function. Let's say, for example, Sham is equal to A. So what this character prefix denotes? It denotes that Sam is a type which can store only a single character. Okay, either A or B, a single character only. Okay, if I want to store more than one character, what I can do? I can use string. String, give any name like Pip is equal to combination of character. So what here I am doing in string, I am storing more than one character, right?
Yes.
And one another is float. Float is equal to 9.0. Okay, so what float does? Float stores decimal character. Okay, these are the basic one. There are more type of predefined keywords, like there is long. Let's say, for example, there is long. H is equal to 98. Okay, so these both long and int are used to store numeric value. But what is the difference? There is a limitation for int, like it can store up to 4856 or something like that. And above that, if you want to store inside Anil, it will give us a random value. So for that, we use long if we want to store a value of higher range. So that is not very important now. So what you know now is there are predefined keywords. These all are called keywords. Long character. What you are seeing in gray colors, every word is called keyword. Okay. And what is keyword? Keyword is a word which Java understands. If I write Anil, Java will not understand. But if I will write int, Java will understand. If I will write long, Java will understand. But if I will write H, Java will not understand. Once I add that long to H, then Java will understand, yes, H is a type of long or Anil is a type of it. Okay. So
Okay.
these all the keyword which you are seeing in gray are, let's say for example we have a dictionary, like while we were starting to learn English, so there were some words in the dictionary and these are the permitted word which you can use in English language. If you use a random XYZ word, that has no meaning because it is not present in the dictionary of the Oxford dictionary or some dictionary, English dictionary where these be. Similarly, it is, you can say, the dictionary. These which got imported while creating the project. These you can say the dictionary of Java, which understands some of the words that are mentioned here in gray. So Java only understands package, public, class, these all words. It doesn't understand package one or demo, class two or something. So when you combine with the keywords, then Java understands, yes, this one is this one. Got my point?
Okay, so you meant int, long, char, string, float. These are keywords. These are
Yeah,
keywords, right?
these all are keywords, which are in gray color particularly.
Okay, sorry. For me, it shows in purple color here.
Oh,
Maybe
okay,
it's
man.
because of the.
Yeah, it's okay. It's a color only. Okay, you. So
Yeah,
now which are in colored colored form, that are only the keywords. Okay. So what is
keywords.
keyword?
Okay.
Keyword are the words which are defined in Java. Okay, Java
Okay.
understand these words.
Okay.
Yeah. So what you saw here, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 data members and 2 functions, right?
Yes.
Okay. Let's, if we see, this is the program I am writing. Let's say for example I am trying to print something from this program in my output console. Okay, see, like say
Mm-hmm.
for example when you are playing a game, when you are downloading an app and playing a game, it is actually the output console, but that is a higher level of programming and higher level of graphics and all. That's why it is coming as a game. But if I want to print something here in my console, that is also a output console, but that is very, you can say, lower level of programming. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
So let's say for example I want to print something here. So what I will do, I'll insert, you always know execution start from line 12 and end at line 15. So I have to write inside that only if I want to execute and show it in my console. Okay. So what I can do, I can write syso, then control space. So system.out.println will come. But this is a shortcut. You can also manually write system.out.println, but that is a shortcut. Write so and print control space. So it will write system.out.println itself for you. Okay.
Okay. The shortcut is SOSO.
Now syso, then click control space.
Okay.
Okay. So inside that, give a inverted comma. Always remember, a single character is always given in a single inverted comma, and a string of character is always given in double inverted comma. And if there is no inverted comma, that means it is an integer or float
Okay.
or a numeric value. Okay.
If it's a combination of both,
Combination of both means it is string. Only string is also string. String plus numeric is also string. But
string.
only
Okay.
numeric value is numeric. Let's say, for
Okay.
example, here I can combine 1, 2, 3. So this is a string only.
Okay.
Okay. So system.out.println, I can write this is my first message. Okay. So let's try to run this particular code. So what you can do, you can run it by two ways. One is right click here inside the class and go as run as Java application. This is one way. Second way is go to the area where you have created inside the project, select it and click this button, run button. So either of the way you can run the class. So once I click
Okay.
it, see, I got the message. This is my first message, which I printed inside main.
Hmm.
Got it?
Yes.
And here I am writing, here also in this function, let's say for example, I am adding so this is my add function. Say if I run this particular program, what will be my output?
Only this is my first message.
This is my first message because I am not accessing this particular method inside the main method. That means it will not be executed. So
Yes.
to access this method inside my add method, what I have to do is create an object. As you know, Java is object-oriented programming language. That means anything you want to access, means any member you want to access, either the function or the data member of the class, you have to create an object of that class. Then only you can access it.
Okay.
Okay. So let's, for example, I'm creating an object inside the main method. Control C, Control D, demo, also. See, what is the syntax of creating an object? Syntax of creating an object is class name, then object name, give anything you want, name is equal to new, again class name, parenthesis, and okay. So this is the syntax for creating an object. Let's say, for example, if I want to write a particular code but don't want Java to execute it, so what I will do, I'll just give double backslash before that. That means this is a comment. That means the execution will start from 12.9 to 12.17, but 12.40 line 14 will not be executed because that is commented.
Yes.
Okay. So what is the syntax of creating an object? Syntax of creating an object is class name, then object name, then is equal to new, again class name, parenthesis, colon. So what is the class name? Demo class 2. That is demo class 2. Then the object name I gave it as demo object, then is equal to new, again class name, parenthesis, close. So I created an object with the name demo object. Got my point?
Yeah.
Okay. So what I can do, I can access these data members. I can access this function using this particular object, demo object. Okay, let's say for example, now if I run this particular code, my output will only be this is my first message. But let's say for example, I am using this particular object, Control C, Control V, dot add, and run this code. So what will be the output for now?
This is my first message. This is my add function.
Correct. So this is my first message and this is my add function. And once again, I'm writing this one, demo object dot Anil. So now what will be the output?
System out print demo object. Anil.
I'm printing.
Anil is the integer.
I'm printing the data member Anil. The Anil has value 10, so 10 will be printed here.
Okay,
Right?
along with this. Okay.
10 got printed. Similarly, if I will access .h, then 90 and it will be printed here. Okay. So these are the data members also I can access using that object only, which I have created for the class. Now, while you are creating the variables, let's say for example here, or I'm creating Anil or H or tip, anything or add, what I'm creating, there are certain limitations or restriction. You cannot use this word while creating the variable name. So what are the limitations? There are 3 limitations. First limitation is you cannot use predefined keyword while creating a variable. Let's say for example, I cannot write int character is equal to 10. See, I cannot write int char is equal to 10. Okay, because char is already a predefined keyword, so I cannot use that keyword for my variable name. Okay.
Okay.
So this is the first point. You cannot use predefined keyword while creating a variable name. Okay. Second point is you cannot use numeric value at the starting of the variable. Okay, that means you cannot use int to Anil. Okay, you cannot use numeric value at the starting of the variable. I cannot use numeric value 2 before Anil. I can use 2 after Anil. Okay, I can use Anil 2, but I cannot use 2 Anil. Means numeric value cannot be used at the starting of the variable name.
Okay.
Got my point?
Yes.
Okay. So these are the limitations while you are creating a variable name. Always follow
It's
this
for
one.
any. Yeah, just
It's
a
for
question.
any
It's
variable.
for any keywords.
Yeah.
Okay.
Any variable name. Keyword is this one. These are the variable name. It is for any variable name. Okay.
Okay.
So this is like the basics of Java, what I told. As there are no member today, so I think it is better we will stop here and we'll continue after this in the next classes. Okay.
Okay. Yes.
Yeah. So you understood up to this much what I taught today. You understood the basics.
Yes.
Okay, you just install Java Eclipse in your system and try to write basics code. Like you can, what I am giving an assignment, what you can do, you can write 4 functions, that is multiply, addition, subtraction, or division, and try to access all of them inside here. Okay.
Okay.
Let's say, for example, you can use simple arithmetic operators to do it. Let's say, for example, this is addition. So what I can do, CISO. Here I can add 2 numeric value, that is Anil.8. But for that also I have to create some object inside it so that I can access. So for example, for now you can just do 2 plus 3 or something. Okay. So once you do, what will be the result? If I will run this particular code, what will be my output? Tell me now. Any guesses?
This is my add function and 5.
5, yes. Here after this one, it will be 5, then 10. Okay, so you create a sample class and create different function, and that is addition, multiplication, division, and try to access it inside the main class. Okay, main function and try to execute it. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.